Hello friends, welcome to Vikas Academy. Today we'll discuss Battle of Tarai. You see, in the first Battle of Tarai in 1191, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori was badly defeated, severely defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan, and he left India. Right? Actually, in the first Battle of Tarai, Prithviraj Chauhan, who was king of Chauhan dynasty, was very strong and defeated Muhammad Ghori, who was from Afghanistan, Ghur province. And you should remember one point that Muhammad Ghori left for Afghanistan, and in the second battle, you can say after 1 year in 1192, he came with full force, full preparation to defeat Prithviraj Chauhan. Simply, you have to remember in the second battle of Tarai, Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Ghori. Let's summarize this. In the first battle of Tarai in 1191, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori. In the second battle of Tarai in 1192, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. Simple. Then we'll talk about third battle of Tarai. You see, in 1216, third battle of Tarai took place in Haryana. Actually, Tarai is a place in Haryana, Thanesar district. You should remember. So the third battle of Tarai took place in 1216 between, you can say now it is different, between Iltutmish and Tajuddin. Iltutmish and Tajuddin. Who was Iltutmish? Iltutmish was real founder of Delhi Sultanate, and Tajuddin was the ruler of, you can say, Ghazni in Afghanistan. Actually, what happened after Muhammad Ghori's death, right? From Afghanistan, Tajuddin came to India to plunder India, just like Muhammad Ghori wanted to plunder India, loot India, Indian wealth. So Tajuddin came to India and fought against that ruler, you can say, Iltutmish. And Iltutmish defeated Tajuddin severely, and Tajuddin was completely wounded, right? And you can say in the third battle of Tarai, Iltutmish established the Delhi Sultanate completely, because he expanded the Delhi Sultanate, he expanded the empire length breadth of India, right? This is the point you should remember. So Iltutmish is called real founder of Delhi Sultanate. For your information, I will share Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder of Delhi Sultanate, right? Qutbuddin Aibak, who was a slave of Muhammad Ghori, right? Later he became king, sultan in Lahore, right? And he founded Delhi Sultanate. However, Iltutmish was the real founder of Delhi Sultanate, right? I hope you are getting clear. Anyway, in the third battle of Tarai, Iltutmish defeated Tajuddin, right? This is the thing you should remember. Let's summarize again. What happened actually in Tarai? First battle of Tarai 1191, Muhammad Ghori was defeated, Prithviraj Chauhan was victorious. Second battle of Tarai, Muhammad Ghori was the victorious and Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated, right? In the third battle of Tarai, simply you have to remember Iltutmish was victorious and Tajuddin was the loser. These are the points you should remember for exam point of view. Question may be asked, Tarai is located in present day Indian, which state, right? Which state? So you should remember Haryana, right? These are the points you should remember for exam point of view. Thank you for watching Vikas Academy. Wish you happy learning.